In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use PayPal's digital payout feature to send some payouts to your consignors using just their email addresses. And I will also show you how you can use their bulk upload feature to upload a pre-made ConsignCloud CSV to pay them all out in bulk. Here's how to do it. To start, you'll want to pay them out in ConsignCloud here. So go to ConsignCloud and click on the Accounts tab. Normally you'll want to filter for outstanding balances so you can then pay everyone out together in bulk. So do that, click Payout. From here, you need to select PayPal as your payout type. Now there's a new option here to create this new PayPal spreadsheet. You'll want to click Yes. And then from here, go ahead and click Confirm to run your payout. Once you've done that, you will have downloaded a CSV to your computer. This CSV is the same file that you are going to go into PayPal and upload so that you can run your payout in bulk there. To upload this spreadsheet in PayPal, go ahead and click on Pay and Get Paid right there, and then scroll down to the bottom and click Payouts. From here, you can click directly on Choose File to open up the File Explorer on your computer, upload the file you need, bada boom, bada bing, you're done. You can also go in now and include a custom message for your consignors. Hey, it's June, you're getting payout. Reach out to us with any questions, and that'll be included in the email they get sent. Click the I understand button, and then you're good to go. This spreadsheet's ready to be uploaded. In the confirmation screen here, you will be able to view all the payouts you're about to send. So you click that to look at everybody. You'll be able to see the fees that are going to be assessed for each payout. If you click on the details section over here on the left, you'll get a lot of relevant details for each payout. That first number right there, that's just the account number for the consignor you're paying. The second number is the payout number. It's the 12th payment. You'll be able to see the fee associated with the one individual payout, the full amount the consignor gets, and then the total amount for the full payment. From here, just click Send Payout, and then you're done. Each of your consignors will receive an email from PayPal notifying them that you are sending them funds through PayPal. They will have the option to log into an existing PayPal account to receive the funds, or create a PayPal account and then receive the funds. If they have not received the funds and accepted them within 30 days, they will be returned to your PayPal account. Thanks so much for watching. Please reach out to the ConsignCloud support team if you have any questions.